So we had defined flux phi as by this equation. We call this equation as the integral definition of the electric flux. Now some important points. If theta is equal to 0 degree, in that case d phi, it is E dot dA, E dA into cos 0, which is equal to plus E into dA, because cos 0 is equal to plus 1. We call it as the positive electric flux. This is the case when electric field and area vector points in the same direction. If theta is equal to 180 degree, we know that cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So in this case d phi will be equal to minus E dA. It is called negative electric flux. So in this case electric field is pointing in one direction, but area vector is pointing exactly in the opposite direction. For this case, when the flux is positive, it means that field lines are leaving the surface. When the flux is positive, field lines leave the surface and move away from it. But in this case, field lines moves towards the surface. That means if we have, this is just like we have placed a positive charge over here for which field is moving away, such that field and area vector are in the same direction. In this case we have placed a negative charge over here, okay, for which field line and flux line, they are in the opposite direction. Third case, if theta is equal to 90 degree, cos 90 is equal to 0, flux will also be equal to 0. So no flux passes through the surface when held right angle. Its area vector is at right angles to the direction of the field line. Now unit of electric field giving rise to unit of electric flux. We know that flux is product of field and the area. Field has a unit Newton per coulomb, area has a unit meter square. So we have its unit Newton meter square per coulomb, or we can also have another alternate unit which is volt meter. Dimensional formula for the phi, it is equal to field into area. Field is force over charge into area. Force has the formula m1 l1 t minus 2. Charge has the formula a1 t1. Area has the formula l2. When we solve it, we get m1 l3 t minus 3 a minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for this.